Okay, muli po magandang umaga. Nagbabalik ang Good Morning Boss. Sa punto pong ito, kasama natin ngayon ang Assistant Marketing Communications Manager ng Marriott Hotel Manila na si Miss Amy Lagman. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, ngayon po ay Love Month.
Yes.
Ano po bang dapat nating i-expect dito sa inyong hotel?
Oh, well, the Love Month is it's an exciting time for Marriott Hotel Manila because we have prepared different offerings for Valentine's. As I think everyone's familiar with the movie 50 Shades of Grey, wherein we took our inspiration for this Valentine's because we know it's going to air this Valentine's, which is February 11 onwards. And then what we did here at Marriott Manila is we got our inspiration from there. So we picked up elements from the book and then we patterned it to offerings namin in each of our restaurants.
So ibig sabihin, yung mga restaurants ninyo may offer na mga pagkain na merong theme ng 50 Shades of Grey.
Yes, yes.
So ito po makikita natin mamaya kasi mamaya interviewin natin yung mga chef dito sa may Marriott Hotel. Ano po bang mga activities naman na ina-expect natin for the Valentine's Day itself, yung mismong araw po ng mga puso?
Okay, for Valentine's, aside from what I've mentioned, we have also, like, I'll give you a tour, no, how we will go about it. Okay, let's say diners will celebrate here on February 14 at Marriott Cafe. There will be what you call, I know everybody's familiar with the Red Room. So we will have the Red Room in Marriott Cafe wherein we will feature all our luscious pastries and desserts. So we will be having different chocolate selections for you to choose from. That's for the Marriott Cafe. And aside from that, diners can also get a chance to win a Pandora bracelet. So, which is very important in the book also because, of course, the main character, Christian Grey, gave a bracelet, a charm bracelet to Anna Steele. Okay? So, aside from that, we move over to the Great Room naman wherein we are featuring cocktails inspired from the book. Like, we have around three kinds to choose from, like Pretty in King, Pinch of Pleasure. So it's very nice array of cocktails, and we have also the playlist that will be playing at the playroom, or the music is played inspired from the book as well. Now for Cruise Steakhouse naman, we are offering what you call the Dom, which is also a dessert which is inspired also from the book, which is it's a chocolate-covered dessert. Parang siya yung character ni Christian Grey. Hard on the outside, delicate, and soft on the inside. So, aside from that, also, for Java Plus, we will be having what we call 50 sweet cupcakes, wherein we'll be offering different kinds of cupcakes with the various designs from the 50 Shades. Like, for example, the Latest Baby tagline, and it's there also. 50 Shades, the necktie, the lips. Yes, it's also there.
Okay. Bilang panghuli, Miss Amy, please invite our mga boss ngayong araw, umagang ito, para dito na sila mag-spend ng kanilang Valentine's Day.
Good morning, boss. We would like to invite you at Marriott Hotel Manila to celebrate your Valentine's Day. This is gonna be a Valentine's Day that you will never ever want to miss out because we will be giving you a different kind of Valentine's Day experience like no other. We will be offering 50 shades of experience, so please visit us because you will never find a better place to celebrate Valentine's Day.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.